Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to log PDF files. Are you ready? So let's get started. As you can see, I have a PDF file which is not logged. If I open it, it will be opened. Okay. How to log it? It's very easy and simple. Open your browser and go to this website pdf24.org. Okay. Where you can have many options. You can merge PDF, you can split PDF, image to PDF, and so on. So in this video, I am going to show you how to use this function, protect PDF. Okay, click on that, choose your file which you want to log, and select the PDF file, which is this one. Okay, and open it, as you can see, and here you can set up a password. Okay, choose your own. For example, I'm going to choose a password and click here, protect PDF files, so it will be locked, and now you can download it. Okay, click on download, and if I want to open it, this PDF file now, it will ask for the password. As you can see here, I'm going to type the password, and as you can see, it will be open. That's it guys, I hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.